Hello friends, this is a quick YouTube video to show you the surge protector I purchased from Amazon. It has 5 USB ports and the 4 AC outlets. The USB ports are 40 watts. They're for your iPad and iPhone and all the USB products that can be used for your Android. And so the surge protector slash power extension is from Anton Power. Looks like a very good quality product. It's comes in a really nice box. Just wanted to give you a quick overlook of how it looks. So comes with some instruction manual, which probably I won't use. With on-off switch. Looks like a very well made product. Has standard warnings and don't know if you guys can see it. Overall, I'm very happy with the product so far. Hopefully it does the intended purpose. Your standard plug. So yeah, there you go. Just wanted to show you my new power extension slash surge protector. Good luck, guys.